We are at Durshet Forest Farm, also known as Sterling Nature Trails. So we have taken their premium AC tent. So I'll give you a tour of the tent now. It's morning time and it's very beautiful outside. This is our double bed. And then next to it they have a small bed for the extra person, which can be converted into a small sofa, 2 side tables. It's an air-conditioned tent, and it also has one table where you can work or keep your stuff. Like I have just spread my stuff over there, it's a little messy. Then they have a table here where you can keep your luggage, and they were also given 2 towels. And there is your one cupboard, vintage style. In that they had kept some extra pillows and blankets. You can keep your stuff also inside. And if you go a little inside, here there is a luxurious bathroom. Since we already checked in, it's a little messy, but it was very neat and tidy. Has those 2 vintage beautiful lights, the wash basin, the commode, and the shower area. Very neatly done. This tent is entirely made of cloth. The whole tent is set up with a cloth except for the wall, which is for the bathroom. Otherwise this is completely made of cloth material. And they also given one fire extinguisher in case of emergency. And look how beautiful it looks. It was giving me a feel of a Rajasthani tent, and I guess the decor is also done with the sense of a Rajasthani traditional style. So this is their garden area or children's play area, whatever you call it. And if you see opposite of it, there is the restaurant where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now we are going for some adventure which is included in a package. So we'll be showing you what we are gonna do. So guys, now we are going for some family adventure. Hey guys, are you ready? Yes. So we have to go towards the right hand side. There will be some adventures like zip line, log climbing and trails. So stay tuned. So there is some archery going on right now over that side, and I guess the zip line, and it's not this side. We have to go towards another place. This is net climbing, no? Huh? Okay. No, not now. It should be done in supervision. We'll have to wear the gears. Completely in the woods, in the forest feel. There's a trail to go down for the adventure. I guess it's not for kids, only for adults. So guys, we just did our adventure and came back to our room, and it was really amazing. I did the zip line, the Burma bridge, the archery. Just ignore the background sound, my kids are there. And it was super fun. After this, after some time, within an hour, we'll go for our lunch. So guys, we are done for the day and 3 p.m. is their checkout time. So we are all packed and set to go back home, and we had a wonderful stay. I hope to come to this place again.